night is very clear, as we both lying here. There are so many things I want to say. It's the time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, as you're 4. There's so much you have to know.
Alright guys, andito kami ngayon sa Dinagat Island. So, soundcheck na ulit tayo as usual. So, first time namin dito sa Dinagat Island guys. Meron tayong mga kasamang dalawang local bands daw nila dito. So, excited kami kasi first time namin. Let's go! Moon! Ay! At shout out